Welcome to another lesson with me, Ming. And today we'll talk about the area of triangle. In some of our previous lessons, we look into a properties of right angle triangle where the triangle has a 90-degree angle. This time, we are going to be more general. We are not restricted to a right angle triangle. In fact, it can be any triangle. So drawn here is a triangle, a general triangle, and we want to find the area of this triangle. Most of you are familiar with this formula that in order to find the area of this triangle, you need to find the base and you need to find the height. So let us find the height. Alright, so let this be the height, and that is perpendicular. This line is perpendicular to the base, B, and the base has the value B, and the height here, I'm just going to use H to denote the height. Right. At the moment, this is angle A. So angle A is known, as let's say. Now, in order to find the area of this triangle, area of the triangle ABC, so this means triangle ABC. Triangle, right? ABC is half BH, which most of you are familiar with. All right. Now half BH. And what is H? Well, H, then we have to look at this particular diagram, right? Let's call this thing here the base of this line M. And here is still A, and up here is B. And this is A is known, and let this be small c, because right, the AB opposite capital C is small c, right? And here is small a. The side that is opposite A is small a. Right? So then from a previous lesson, we know that this height here is just going to be C sine A. Alright, so now we know the height is C equal to sine A, so we can replace C equal to sine A into H. So C sine A, therefore we're going to get this formula, half BC sine A. So that's the formula for the area of the triangle. So observe carefully how you make sense of this formula. That is, in order to find the area of a triangle, any triangle, all you need to have is half, and then BC happens to be the sides that make up of this angle. Okay, and A is the angle. So all you need is that you need to know the angle and the two sides that make up the angle. Then you will have enough information to find the area of this triangle. Similarly, this area of this triangle ABC can also be written as, well, we don't have to be focusing on angle A. We can also focus on angle B. So if we focus on angle B, then you have sine B at the back here, and the two sides are AC. And if you focus on capital C, the angle here, so it's sine capital C, and the two sides are A and B. So any of these will work that give you the same answer no matter which you use. So I'm going to use this idea here and to apply it into these two questions. Assuming that you have a triangle such as this, and one of the side is 8, the other side is 6, and the angle is 60, and you want to find the area of this triangle. So what you do is that, right, area of triangle ABC, in this case is half, right, 8 times 6 times sine 60, right, times 60. So this is 4 times 6, 24, and then sine 60 is square root of 3 over 2. So the answer is 12 times square root of 3. So that will be the answer. See how easy it is to obtain the area just by using this formula. Alright, we're going to do the same thing with example number 2. Alright, you may want to try it first by yourself by pausing the video, and when you're ready, switch it on again. Okay, welcome back. So area of this triangle PQR, in this particular case is half, and the two sides are 7 and 8, and the angle is sine 25 degree. Now, So 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 times 7 is 28. And then sine 25 degree. Now with 25 degree, I don't really know what it is. I have to use a calculator. So if you put this into a calculator, and the answer that you will get will be, if you didn't do any calculation error, so let's try this out. 25 sine times 28, you will get 11.823 SF. Right, that will be the answer. Now let's look at example number 3. Example number 3 is similar. Area of this triangle, right, is half. That's very good. And then 6 and 10, and then sine 31 degree, right? And this is basically 5 times 6, 30, sine 31. And again, I'm going to use the calculator here. 31 sine times 30. And if you do this correctly, sine 31, let's try, times 30 is roughly 15.5. Right, that's the answer, 15.5. Thank you very much.